Meaning of Hungary.
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 Hungary. Hungary is a landlocked country in Central Europe with a population of about 9.8 million people. Its capital and largest city is Budapest. The official language is Hungarian, which is spoken by the majority of the population. Hungary has a diverse economy with major industries including automotive manufacturing, electronics, pharmaceuticals, and food processing. The country has a rich cultural heritage with notable contributions to art, music, literature, and sports. Hungary is also known for its thermal baths and natural beauty, attracting millions of tourists every year.